Hey, so this is me getting my B-twist back. So in the midst of this one, my shoe actually came off. I guess it's time for me to do another review on the Skechers Stretch Fit. I guess part 2 is coming soon. Alright, so right now I'm tired. I am tired. Like the body's tired, not the mind. Like I can keep going. But I can tell my body's tired. So this is my last one. I gotta give it all I can and stick with the technique. I think I developed my own style for the B-twist. So here we go. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of feel like I don't have it until I can at least throw it without a mat down. Because like I don't want to have to keep pulling out a mat every time I go to practice my B-twist so that I can perfect it. So I'm gonna actually try one, no mat down. This is pass or fail. My aim is to pass based off the technique I just developed for myself. Let's do this. Alright, so I did one. I like the way that looked. I'm gonna do one more before my body fully calms down, so I know that I got it. Got it? Thank you for watching. Please like so I know I reached you, comment so I can engage with you, and subscribe to build a community of pure movement shenanigans.